Hello 8th class, this is your mathematics subject. Children, today we are going to start the new exercise 4.8. As you can see, this is your mathematics book. Open it now. Before starting the exercise, let us see some important points. Chapter 4, cubes and cube roots. Okay. So, firstly, cubes. The cube of a number is the number raised to the power 3. For example, 2 raised to power 3 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equal to 8. 5 raised to power 3 equal to 5 multiply 5 equal to 125. Here 8 and 125 are the cubes of 2 and 5 respectively. Okay. Now cubes और perfect cubes. So यहाँ पर आपको एक टेबल दी गई है. यहाँ पर 1 से लेकर 20 तक के आपको क्यूब्स दिए गए हैं. ओके. Now hence a natural number which can be expressed as a product of triplets of equal factors is known as the perfect cube. Okay. Now to check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not, we find the prime factors of that number. If the prime factors exist in triplets of identical factors, then the number is a perfect cube. Otherwise, it is not a perfect cube. Okay. Now properties of perfect cube equal first point आप देखेंगे cubes of all odd natural numbers are odd. For example, 3 raised to power 3 equal to 27, 5 raised to power 3 equal to 125, 7 raised to power 3 equal to 347. Okay. Now second point देखेंगे cubes of all even natural numbers are even. अगर even natural numbers की हम cube करेंगे तो हमारा जो आंसर आएगा वो even number ही होगा. For example, 2 raised to power 3 equal to 8, 2 raised to power 3 equal to 8, 4 raised to power 3 equal to 64, as so on. Now third point, cubes of negative integer are always negative. For example, minus 1 raised to power 3 करेंगे so answer is minus 1. Minus 4 raised to power 3 करेंगे so answer is minus 64. Okay. Now fourth point, for any rational numbers a upon b, we have a upon b raised to power 3 equal to a raised to power 3 upon b raised to power 3. For example, 1 upon 3 raised to power 3 equal to 1 raised to power 3 upon 3 raised to power 3. So our answer 1 upon 27. Now 5 point, cubes of the numbers having 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 as units digit and with the same digit. For example, आप देखेंगे 1 raised to power 3 equal to 1, 4 raised to power 3 equal to 64, 5 raised to power 3 equal to 125, 6 raised to power 3 equal to 216. Now so on. 6 point आप देखेंगे cubes of the numbers having 2 as units digit and in 8 and cubes of numbers having 8 as units digit and in 2. For example, 12 raised to power 3 हम करेंगे so answer is 1728. So यहाँ पर हमारा यूनिट प्लेस पर कौन सी डिजिट आई है 8. ओके. अगर हम 18 रेज टू पावर 3 करते हैं सो आवर आंसर इज 5832. सो यहाँ पर यूनिट प्लेस पर कौन सी डिजिट है 2. ओके. नाउ 7th पॉइंट, cubes of the numbers having 3 as unit digit and in 7 and cubes of numbers having 7 as unit digit and in 3. For example, 13 raised to power 3 करेंगे so answer is 2197. 17 raised to power 3 करेंगे so our answer is 4913. Okay. Now 8 point, cube of a natural number which is the multiply of 3 is also a multiply of 27. For example, 3 raised to power 3 equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 equal to 27, which is a multiply of 27. Okay. Now 6 raised to power 3 equal to 6 multiply 6 equal to 216. So which is the multiply of 27. Now 9 point, cubes of the numbers which are multiplies of 10 and in 3 zeros. For example, 10 raised to power 3 equal to 1000, 20 raised to power 3 equal to 8000, 30 raised to power 3 equal to 27,000. Okay. Now start the exercise 4.A. A part is select the correct answer. First question, the unit digit of the cube of 23 is. So answer is B part at 7. Okay. So B option is correct. Now second question, which of the following numbers is a perfect cube? So इनमें से कौन सा perfect cube है? So C option is correct, 216. Now third point, the cube of 2 is to 2 by 5 is. So firstly इसको हम convert करेंगे simple fraction में, then multiply करेंगे 3 times. So our answer is D part, 1728 upon 125. Okay. Now fourth question, the least number by which 675 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube is. So A option is correct, 5. Okay. Now fifth question, which of the following is the cube of an odd natural number? So इनमें से कौन सा है odd natural number का cube? So D option is correct, 1331. Now start B part, solve the following. First question, find the cubes of each of the following numbers. तो A part is 8. तो 8 का हम क्यूब फाइंड करेंगे. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 8 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो आंसर इज 512. नाउ B part 19. तो 19 का क्यूब हमारा क्या होगा, 6859. ओके. नाउ F part 0.05 रेज टू पावर 3. सो 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड डेसिमल हम पुट कर देंगे. सो आवर आंसर इज 0.000125. नाउ G part 2.5. सो क्यूब रूट करेंगे इसका, क्यूब निकालेंगे. सो 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई 2.5. सो आंसर इज 15.625. नाउ सी के पार्ट -1/7 रेज टू पावर 3. सो -1/7 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो आवर आंसर इज -1/343. नाउ सिमिलरली यू हैव टू सॉल्व अदर पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. As you can see, this is your mathematics book. Open it now. Now L part आप देखेंगे 4,56,533. So firstly prime factors find करेंगे. So prime factors are 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 11 multiply 11 multiply 11. Now grouping करेंगे. So no factors is left. Therefore it is a perfect cube. Okay. अगर इनमें से हमारा ग्रुपिंग करते हैं और कोई फैक्टर हमारा रह जाता है बिना ग्रुपिंग के, तो इट मीन्स दिस नंबर इज नॉट अ perfect cube. Okay. Similarly, you have to solve other part of this question. Now question number 3, see in your book, find the unit digit of the cube of each of the following. So the cube of numbers ending with 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 and with same digits like 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 respectively. The cube of numbers ending with 2 and 8 are numbers ending in 8 and 2 respectively. Similarly, the cubes of numbers ending in 3 and 7 are the numbers ending in 7 and 3 respectively. Okay, आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. Now A part is 42. So since unit digit of 42 is 2, therefore the unit digit of cube of 42 is 8. Now see the C part, 644. So since unit digit of 644 is 4, therefore the unit digit of cube of 644 is 4. Now F part 1795. So unit digit है 5. Okay, therefore the unit digit of cube of this number is 5. Similarly, you have to solve other part of this question. Now question number 4, see in your book which of the following are the cubes of even numbers. So A part आप देखेंगे 27. Since 27 is an odd number, therefore 27 is not the cube of even number. Okay, अगर हमारा odd number होगा so हमारा जो क्यूब बनेगा वो बेटा 20 ओड नंबर ही बनेगा. सो यहाँ पर 27 हमारा ओड नंबर है. देयरफॉर 27 इज नॉट अ क्यूब ऑफ इवन नंबर. सो उसके लिए अगर इवन नंबर हमारा क्यूब होगा तो उसके लिए हमारा जो नंबर होगा वो भी इवन होना चाहिए. नाउ आप डी पार्ट देखेंगे 1728. सो दिस नंबर इज इवन नंबर, देयरफॉर 1728 is the cube of even number. Okay, now similarly you have to solve the other part of this question. Now see the question 5. In your book which of the following are the cubes of odd number. जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन 4 अटेम्प्ट किया था बेटा, उसमें हमें इवन नंबर्स बताने थे, यहाँ पर हमें ओड नंबर्स की क्यूब बताने. ओके, सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन since 215 is an even number, therefore 216 is not the cube of odd number. So उसके लिए हमारा नंबर भी ओड होना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ सी पार्ट आप देखेंगे 4913 is an odd number, therefore this is the cube of odd number. Okay, similarly you have to solve other part of this question. As you can see, this is your mathematics book. Open it now. Now question number 7. See in your book by what smallest number should 2916 be divided so that the quotient is the perfect cube. So similarly, firstly find the prime factor. So prime factor of this number are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now grouping prime factors of this number into prime triplets. So 2 factors means 2 multiply 2 are left. So 2 multiply 2 equal to 4. Okay, so 4 से हमें इस नंबर को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Now question number 8. See in your book, find the sum of the digits of the smallest number by which 768 is to be multiplied so that the product become a perfect cube. So firstly find the prime factors of this number. Now grouping करेंगे. Grouping prime factor of 768 into prime triplet. 3 factors are like 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 are left. So clearly to make it perfect cube, it must be multiplied by 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. तो यहाँ पर परफेक्ट क्यूब के लिए कितनी हमारे नंबर्स की कमी रह गई है? 1 हमारे 2 की कमी रह गई है एंड 2 हमारे 3 की कमी रह गई है. सो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 18. नाउ सम ऑफ डिजिट ऑफ 18 इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 8 इक्वल टू 9 इज आवर आंसर. नाउ 9 एंड 10 क्वेश्चन आप जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन 6 अटेम्प्ट किया था सेम ऐसे ही आप करेंगे. ओके, नाउ सी द सी पार्ट 644. So since unit digit of 644 is 4, therefore the unit digit of cube of 644 is 4. Now F part 1795. So unit digit है 5. Okay, therefore the unit digit of cube of this number is 5. Similarly you have to solve other part of this question. Now question number 4. See in your book which of the following are the cubes of even numbers. So A part आप देखेंगे 27. Since 27 is an odd number, therefore 27 is not the cube of even number. Okay, अगर हमारा odd number होगा so हमारा जो क्यूब बनेगा वो बेटा 20 ओड नंबर ही बनेगा. सो यहाँ पर 27 हमारा ओड नंबर है, देयरफॉर 27 इज नॉट अ क्यूब ऑफ इवन नंबर. सो उसके लिए अगर इवन नंबर हमारा क्यूब होगा तो उसके लिए हमारा जो नंबर होगा वो भी इवन होना चाहिए. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन 5. in your book, which of the following are the cubes of odd numbers? जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन 4 अटेम्प्ट किया था बेटा, उसमें हमें इवन नंबर्स बताने थे, यहाँ पर हमें ओड नंबर्स के क्यूब बताने. ओके, सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन since 216 is an even number, therefore 216 is not the cube of odd number. so उसके लिए हमारा नंबर भी ओड होना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ सी पार्ट आप देखेंगे. 4913 is an odd number, therefore this is the cube of odd number. Okay, similarly you have to solve other part of this question. Now question number 14, see in your book, find the volume of a cube whose age is measured 3.8 centimeter. So side हमारी given है 3.8 centimeter, volume of cube equal to side raised to power 3 होता है. So 3.8 raised to power 3 करेंगे, 3.8 को 3 times multiply करेंगे, so our answer is 54.872 centimeter cube. So children, your exercise is over. Your homework is that you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you, students.